Hi Deep, how are you?
दामिनी दामिनी दामिनी, क्या हो रहा है भाई? पानी सर के ऊपर से चला गया and we still don't have a candidate. I am looking for that finesse, I am looking for that nittiness that is required for taking this organization forward. Can you please help me?
Okay Deep, I've already sent you so many resumes. But I'll send you another set. I'll set up all the interviews over the next few days, okay? Yeah, okay. Thanks Deep, bye.
कहाँ गए वो दिन? Great. Can we first start with you? Can you tell me a little bit about yourself, your background, your experience, your strengths, your aspirations, what moves you, what drives you?
Hi Deep, it's great to connect with you finally. I'm so glad that you're considering me for a key leadership position on your team. Very briefly about me, you have seen my resume. I have a double PhD in computer science and econometrics. I am a winner. My mantra for success is stay humble, stay hungry. I have led global teams delivering tough solutions to pleased customers.
Deep, I have done my MBA in operations management, and you should consider me for this role because I have a proven track record of taking long-term strategic bets towards setting up companies on growth path for 100 years.
Well, introduction about myself. वैसे भी तारीफ खुद क्या करूँ, I'm very humble, you see. But if I have to think,
मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, 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 मैं जैसा हूँ मैं वैसा क्यों हूँ.
well, Deep, we may end up sitting here the whole day if I were to start talking about myself. But let me just say, I'm an all-rounder.
He asked me what are the top qualities that I'm looking for. Um, I think first and foremost, I'm looking for a person who has that laser vision, a visionary.
When it comes to vision, Deep, this is what I believe. You got to aim for the stars, but keep the feet on the ground. The common problem I see is that people fail not because they aim for the stars, but because they aim too low and they actually reach it and stay there. In my team's Deep, you will never see any of us aiming for anything less than the stars.
A leader with a vision must move from a red ocean strategy to a blue ocean strategy in pursuit of differentiation.
Well, Deep, vision is very important to me. I'm a visionary myself, you see. Uh, I'm sure others would have told you great stories about their vision. But let me show you. I've sent you a slide. Just look at the slide. Beautifully captured guy with binoculars in his hand. Well, that guy is me. And I'm looking far ahead. But Deep, what you must not miss are the details in the slide. Look at the color. Look at the alignment. Look at the font. It's beautifully captured. But I still have included, links to various posts that I've made as comments to other people's posts on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. There's a lot of content out there. But slide is very well made. Please have a look.
Opportunities always come couched as adversities. It's up to us to figure out how we make the best of the adversity.
I have a framework to handle difficult situations. It's called a 2x2 framework.
Well, I would say it comes naturally to me.
2 years back, when my team was almost going to leave because of the bankruptcy situation in our company, I managed to retain every single employee on my team.
In fact, that framework is so incredible that I can apply that to any situation and I can still get out of it. Easy situation, difficult situation, doesn't matter.
Last year there was a company-wide conference. More than 100 people have gathered. At the end of the conference, people wanted to take a selfie. They tried, but failed. Then I rose to the occasion. I came in front. Just did 3 selfies from 3 different angles. Managed to capture each and every one perfectly. The result? You can still see on the company website.
Isn't it what drives the world, be it self-driving cars or putting man on Mars? Well, I always try to ask the question why and try to move my teams away from what is well understood into new realms of thinking. Coming from a research background myself, this is how I think humans advance in the world.
Someone said curiosity killed the cat, and I believe it. So I'm not curious, not at all.
I'm a very curious person by nature. And I also take my needs very, very seriously. I have to know what my team members bring to their lunch every day. आज खाने में है क्या? किसने बनाया है? कैसे बनाया है? इनफैक्ट ये डिश पहली बार बनी कब थी? और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली ये बंदा दोबारा ये डिश लेके कब आएगा? I have to know. Very, very, very curious. Always.
That's a great question, Deep. Effective communication probably is the most important skill of a leader.
It reminds me of a great quote that 2 monologues do not make a dialogue.
Communication comes from the word communicare in Latin, which stands for to share. And that's my philosophy of communication. When I communicate, I'm trying to share what's on my mind, my feelings with utmost honesty and openness so that the other person is able to entirely understand where I'm coming from.
So that's effective communication to me.
पंजाबी मिले तो उसे बंगाली में बात कर लूं, बंगाली मिले तो हिंदी में, और अगर कुछ ना आए तो भी इशारों में तो बातें हो ही जाती हैं.
Yeah, I started off my career in hedge funds, and from hedge funds moved into financial research, from there to retail, and from there to media, and currently in consumer goods company. Yeah, so I do think I'm agile.
It's not my agility, let's call it enterprise agility, and any large organization needs stability and dynamism to be truly agile at an enterprise level.
I hold the record for Inter-Mall Racing Champion for last 5 years. मजाक थोड़ी है. परसों की बात ही ले लो. बिल्लू पड़ोस में रहने वाला 14-year-old fellow challenged me the champion for a race. हरा दिया उसको मैंने. गया रोता हुआ अपनी मम्मी के पास. Agility तो दी बस. Don't worry. Rest assured, I've got it covered.
Yeah, when it comes to leading from the front, I definitely think that the organization mimics the leader and the leader's traits.
Like the book Snollygoster says, leadership is what you don't see. It is what's below the waterline that's important. It is about forging the trust, bringing congruence in a team, or being axis of change.
चांदनी बनी चुड़ैल, हावड़ा ब्रिज पर लटकती लाश, और एल्बर्ट पिंटो को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? Was it easy? नो ना, फंस गई थी टीम। अरे वो अपने डम शॉट्स कंपटीशन में किसने निकाला? I rose to the occasion, ले गया फाइनल तक। बस कभी घमंड नहीं किया।
मिल गया हमको साथी, मिल गया हमसे घर कोई जल गया, जलने दे।
Damini, I'm super happy. I think we've got the person. We've got that leader. We've got that deathless. We've got that finesse. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm so glad to hear it's finally there, that day. Okay, let me prepare for the onboarding very quickly. Thanks.